Hey everyone, hope you all doing great. In this video, we will learn how to generate unlimited AI videos for free using Google Vids. So let's jump right into it. First of all, search for Google Vids and open the very first website. And once the page loads up, click on sign into Vids at the top right corner. Now, simply continue with your Google account. After signing in, select the landscape format and create a blank video. Once you do that, you will see an interface like this. Now from the right sidebar menu, click on VEO option. Here you can either write your own prompt or even animate an image. For this video, I'm going to use a script that I already created using ChatGPT, but of course, you can use your own script as well. After entering your script, select your preferred aspect ratio and simply click on generate. While the video is being generated, let me quickly show you some other amazing features available inside the workspace. You can add your own voiceover, generate AI images, clone your voice, upload media from your library, use stock footages, add captions, text for narration, ready-made templates, shapes, and much more. And don't worry if the generation takes a couple of minutes, that's completely normal. So just be patient and let the video to be generated successfully according to the prompt we provided. And here we go. Our free AI video has been successfully generated based on the prompt we provided. You can also make changes to it anytime and even add more scenes or parts to your video. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and helpful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.